Oh, we got one. Oh, he came off. Oh, shoot. Oh, crap. I'm just absolutely splashing over here. Oh, got him. Got him that time. That's a nice one. That's a really nice one. Holy crap. That's a really nice bluegill. Start off the vid. Look at the size of that sucker. Time to let him go. I'm just doing some bluegill fishing out here today. And anything else that bites. Oh, yep, another one. There we go. That's another really nice one. He just unhooked himself. There he goes. I think the camera saw that. Looks like we found him here. Come on, give me another one. I know you're there. Oh, we got one. We're getting bit. He's running towards us. Heavy. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. That was a gigantic crappie or something. That was an absolutely monster crappie or something. But, guys, oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. That would have been a PB. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. That thing was huge. My heart is dropped. That thing was literally like a foot long. I do not think that was a bass. That was something big. That was something really freaking big, guys. Oh my gosh. I think that was a PB crappie. I literally think that was a PB crappie that I just lost. That was something gigantic. Oh my gosh, my heart stopped right now. Oh my gosh, I don't know if the camera picked that up or not. What are we at? What's our time? What's our time? 2 minutes. 2 minutes and something seconds. I really hope the camera picked up that flash. We're getting bit again. Oh my gosh. That was something big. We're getting bit. Oh, another gigantic bluegill. Guys, I don't know what that was, but it looked like a white crappie. Because it was shiny. Okay, here's another nice bluegill. It was shiny, and it was huge. It looked like it was pushing a foot long or somewhere around there. It was a crappie or a bass, but it looked a lot like a white crappie. Okay, we're back. We're casting back out here. What's our time now? 3 minutes and something, 30-something seconds. We're gonna get a new fresh red worm on here. Dude, I really want whatever that was to come. Oh, well, they start biting once we lose our sinker. We lost our sinker that time. I wonder when we lost that. Maybe that was scaring the bite. And they just like this weightless worm. We didn't hook into that big fish for like but a second, maybe less. Probably less than a second. So we could totally get him back out here. Nice little crappie or bass right there jumped. Oh, we're getting bit. Yep, we are getting bit. We got something. No. Gosh, this is such a crappy pole or reel. The pole's okay, but the reel's junk. Just a little Zipco 404. It's okay for bluegill. Another bluegill here. Red ear sunfish. I'm pretty sure it's what this is called. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's got red ears. It's another decent little fish. I'm using this real long hook so that they can't swallow it, because that would suck. Okay. Time to cast back out. Yeah, you really need a good amount of weight to be able to cast this far. Probably really needs reline too. Oh, we're getting bit again. Another slow taker. But that's what that big fish did. It slowly took it, guys. Very slowly took it. I don't know why I didn't bring the red worms over here. I just left them on that pillar over there. Got our bobber way out there now. By way out there, I mean way out there rather than 2 feet in front of us. Man, I really want to know what that was. It looked like a white crappie, but I could totally be wrong. Man, this one's bad. Got another one here. Another nice one. Another nice bluegill. Oh, there we go. Gotta fix our worm up. He's all beat up. Get back out there. We're just using a real simple setup. Bobber and worm. We did have bobber, worm, and sinker, but ever since I lost the sinker, they started biting more. Alrighty. Oh, that hook just came flying right back at me. We missed that one, folks. Get right back there in that same spot. Alright, we're walking down a little bit, literally like 3 feet over. I'm just casting right here. We were just right there by that stump. Now right here, we were casting right there, now we're casting right here. So, you never know. That little bit of movement could always be the biggest fish of your life. This does have like 20-pound test on it. I think it's probably just from Walmart. I really do not remember. I've had this thing for like 4 years. I've used it probably 3 times now, counting now. I'd really like for another bluegill. What's our time here? 6. Can't. 9 minutes, 6 minutes. So, it's one of those two. Well, guys, they ain't really biting it much more. Waters are real high and whatnot, so we're just gonna go ahead and let it be. It is literally midday right now, but it's bluegill, so you really never know. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.